Hi, this is Scoggett, and this is the second part to my slow cooker chicken Alfredo casserole, my way video. And the casserole is done, and I'm fixing to plate some up and show you how it came out. It smells really good in here. Take the lid off. And here we have the casserole, and it's really cheesy and good. I'm going to go ahead and just, plate some up here and show you how it come out. Really cheesy. And this is the way it come out. I'm going to go ahead and take a taste of it. Like I say, this is very easy to make. Let me get my... Really looks nice. Really good. Going to go ahead and taste it, see how it came out here. This is really good. Like I say, if you get a chance, be sure to try this. It's very easy and it's really good. And I was right about not adding the salt because it does have enough salt in it just the way it is. So I did good there. Just so good. This is Scoggett. Appreciate all you viewers and subscribers. I'm going to go ahead and get some more of this. And hope you'll make this. Like I say, it's very simple to make and so delicious. This is Scoggett, and y'all take care.